Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am with another video in which we shall be discussing about paired sample t-test. It is also one of the very important statistical tool in order to compare means. So what we can do through paired sample t-test, if we try to measure the effectiveness of new advertising campaign compared to existing one. Suppose a company is running advertising campaign. They have designed a new advertising campaign. So if they want to compare that whether it is statistically different, its effectiveness is statistically significant or not with compared to old one. So through this beautiful test, they can compare. Another example is examining if there is an improvement in website performance with the introduction of a new feature. Suppose you have some website and now you are adding some new feature. So what is the performance of website? Whether whatever new feature you have added in the website, it is significant impact, it has significant impact or not. It will be very useful for product managers to evaluate impact of new product features and functionality. So it has a lot of dimension. In case of human resource management area, you can measure the effectiveness of employee training programs by comparing pre and post test results. So these are the some of the examples which for which you can perform paired sample t-test. So how we'll be doing that in SPSS, we are going to see. So I have got one data over here. You can see that I have two variables. One is miles per gallon for German cars, and another variable I have taken miles per gallon for South Korean cars, right? So for these two variables, I will be performing this paired sample t-test using SPSS. So see how we are going to do it. It is very easy. You have to go in analyze, and then you have to come in compare means, and then you will get the option of paired sample t-test. Here it wants that you have to bring the variables to the right side window. So I'll be selecting miles per gallon first variable, and then I'll be selecting second variable. Now you have some options in which you have confidence interval, and that is 95%. And then you have to click continue, and then you have to click OK. Now you can see over here that three tables are generated. In the first table, you have the mean score of miles per gallon for German cars. It is 16.5217, and for Korean cars, South Korean cars, it is 26.6087, and we have total N is equal to 23. That means we have 23 cases. Standard deviation is there, and then standard error mean is there. In the second table, we have correlation value, right? And in the third table, which is very important table for us, through which we can come to know that whether the mean scores of both German and Korean cars, their performance are statistically significant, it is different from zero. So we can see over here that the p-value, and that is 0.000, it is less than 0.05. So through this we can say that there is a statistically significant difference between the mean of miles per gallon for German cars and miles per gallon for Korean cars. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope so that you must have understood the concept of paired sample t-test using SPSS. It is very beautiful technique for the managers, for the researchers, where they can compare the mean values of different two samples. Thank you. Thanks for watching.